If your Sony WH-CH720N headphones one side isn't working or sounds quieter than the other, here's how you can fix this easily. First, forget your device from Bluetooth settings, and if you're using the Sony Headphones Connect app, cancel re-registration there too. Then reconnect your headphones and see if the issue is solved. Next, check the audio balance on your iPhone or Android. Make sure mono audio is turned off and the left-right balance is set in the middle. Sometimes this can cause the problem. If that doesn't work, try resetting your headphones, turn them off, then press and hold the power button and the middle button at least 10 seconds and then enter pairing mode properly. And reconnect and test again. And at the same time, make sure your headphones have enough charge, as a low battery can sometimes cause issues. You can also use the included jack cable to check if the problem persists. If one side is still not working, it's likely a hardware issue. And for that, you will need to contact Sony support. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.